Namaste. I have been learning Yogasan in Janardhan Swami Yogabhyasi Mandal, Nagpur. Swamiji, in one of his books, has mentioned causes of diseases. Why do we fall ill? First cause, he says, is improper blood circulation. We sit in one particular posture. We sleep at night. During these times, some of our body parts are compressed. So there is not proper blood circulation, which results in diseases. Vishwas Mandli Guruji from Yoga Vidya Gurukul Nasik has once said, it is a miracle that our human body falls ill because this system is so perfectly designed that our body has all the capacity to recover from any trauma. Even if there is blockage in coronary artery, that is artery supplying to heart, our body can form collateral blood vessels, that is natural bypass. But for that, there should be proper blood circulation. There should not be any accumulated toxins. For proper blood circulation, joints and movements should be moved in a balanced way. Nowadays, we are always working with neck and back bent forward while on laptop, mobiles, or even during kitchen work. So there should be some movement where back and neck should be bent backwards. So let's learn today's asana, Ushtrasan, where we will bend backward and enjoy improved blood circulation in neck and back region.
Sthiti, sitting posture. Bend both the knees and sit in Vajrasana. Now stand on your knees. Place the palms on waist with fingers pointing forwards. Inhale and slowly bend backwards, slightly pushing your waist forwards. Go as much as you can. Relax your neck. This is Ardha Ushtrasana. Beginners should do till this level only. And if comfortable, then only bend more and slowly place the palms on heels. It's better to keep eyes open while bending back. Again, push your waist forwards and lift the chest up. Neck should be relaxed. Remember, thighs should be perpendicular to ground. You can chant one Omkar in this sthiti. If you are able to say extended Makar, that is Dirgha Makar Yukta Omkar, in this position, it is the proof that your lung capacity is good. Ideal time of final position is 2 minutes. You should gradually increase the time. While returning, stepwise slowly straighten your neck and back, release your palms, stand on knees, sit in Vajrasana, straighten your legs and return to Sthiti. Variation. You can also do this asana in another way. You can keep legs slightly apart, keep toes in standing position and do the Ushtrasana. Benefits. It strengthens muscles of back, neck and chest, improves flexibility. Digestion is also improved. It's useful for thyroid patients as there is a nice stretch in neck region. Also, this asana expands lungs and chest muscles. Very helpful in asthma patients. Many gynecological problems can be avoided by regular practice of this asana. Personally, this is one of my favorite asana because it reduces strain in pelvic region and gives a great relief from menstrual discomfort. Now, who should not do this? Patients with history of hernia, those who are having severe high or low BP, severe backache should avoid this asana. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you.